Okay guys, I just want to quickly show you what we got planted so far. So we got 3 rows of corn we showed you before. We have
these are early girls.
2 early girls tomatoes. We have an eggplant here.
And some recovering cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
From frost. I think they'll make it.
Going here.
It's the new leaves that count.
Yeah.
4 cucumber plants.
And then here we have
very nicely recovered zucchinis.
See, this is where they got the sun bit, we call it, but then we got new
leaves, and that's all that matters, because they can shed that maybe at some point, flip that.
Okay, so that's that. And then out here I got my marigolds planted. There's 4 here. And then we got 4 marigolds here. And now here is, what is this? 2 rows of beefsteak tomatoes going here.
That need to recover a little themselves.
And here.
Which you just planted 2 hills of yellow squash.
Yep, so there's my yellow squash. We got 6 plants here. I just did that now. And this here row here is all beefsteak. We'll come around and show you. See, here's the little beefsteaks. They're small, but these are all the ones I did put by seed, so hopefully they'll grow. And then in here, this area here, we got some bush beans.
That's right. They haven't sprouted yet. That's about 10 plants. Yeah.
And then over here, this is the back end of the garden. I planted sunflowers and nasturtiums. So these are the nasturtiums, and then these are the sunflowers. They're going to need to be weeded out. Thinned, I mean, so.
This compost pile from the dump. What's left of it.
Okay. Then I got these here. This was last year's price on petunias. This year's price is almost $30, so I kept this over the winter in the house. These are the ones that were blooming in the house. And so that's what, see, the seeds fell in there, and we got a new basket of them, so we're waiting for flowers there.
This whole thing we call the main garden.
Yes, and then down here still, these are more my sunflowers and nasturtiums. Okay.
And there's this fallow, this empty trench is the last row of this main garden here, which already started, as you see.
So this here, yeah, from the yellow squash
this
up
got to be dug by
pole.
hand. Just finished the trench I started, and we ran out of time the other day and got bit, and it was getting dark. And I just put my back out. Chiropractor said can't be digging for a day or 2. So yeah, the price of gardening goes up if you put your back out, and you got to pay a chiropractor. Add that into the cost.
Yep. Okay, so then this row.
Anyway.
So here's all the tomatoes, beefsteak tomatoes going out. This row here is all our
potatoes.
These russet potatoes, honey, or are these
Oh, right there, yellow Yukon.
Oh, Yukon. These are the yellow Yukons?
Basically, yeah. That I had to buy.
Yukon Golds going all the way out. And then we have...
This weed is actually, I think lamb's quarters, and it's edible, but I have to look it up. Don't quote me on it, but I used to pick these and eat them.
They're going everywhere.
But they're good.
Okay, so that is a basil plant that we bought at Walmart. And then here's from last year. This is that parsley. Oh, look at them. They got little white dots on them. What does that mean?
How many years can this grow? By the way, is it annual?
I don't know. Oh, I never seen that. Did you ever see that? How beautiful.
Flower, maybe?
I don't know.
Maybe that's going to flower.
Oh, I don't know.
You're going to learn about it.
I got to see what that means. If anybody knows, let me know.
Yeah, if they bolt, I wonder if you can use the leaves.
But see, down here they don't have that.
Still smell lovely.
Does it? I might have to clip some of this off and use it.
Have to find out.
Okay, now some more yellow Yukon Golds. So it's the whole row of Yukons. And then the last row is all our onions. These are all yellow onions.
Doing better than last year up in the other area.
And there's my honey. And that's it. Whoops.
And yeah.
So that's our garden planting so far.
That's
now,
one of the 2
I got my little tool here. I don't know if I ever showed you this. This here's just the Greenworks cultivator, 8.5 amp. And I'm going to cultivate this. Well, this here anyway is very nice. All you do is you plug it in here. This is electric one. You just plug it in to your thing, and then you pull back on this handle like that and hit this button, this start button, or you hit the start and then pull it back, and then it just works. When we first got it, it had 4 tines, but unfortunately, what happened to those tines? I think we ruined them.
They got bent on a rock.
They got bent on a rock, so we just used the outer 2 tines, and we just used that to chew up the areas that we want to work. And then once it gets the top layer of grass off, then we usually just do the pitchfork and shovel by hand. But so this row here is going to be all, we decided we're going to put all, what is it? Marigolds all the way out to my coffee cup.
Which will bring the bees, hopefully, and repel what bothers tomatoes. I think it's aphids.
So that's what we've been doing, guys. We've been very, very busy trying to get our garden planted. Little by little, we're getting her done.
June 1st today.
Today is June 1st, and this is a nice follow-up to all those little seedlings that I showed you early on in the year. It's going to be an addition to yesterday's film. So, or I might put it onto another clip. But this here, we ended up making a new row yesterday. This is all peppers. So these are little ones here are the orange peppers. And then down here is the green peppers. And then we come all the way down to the end. And what do we have in here? Eggplant. We have one little eggplant. We have one little zucchini. And there's the marigold. But yes, we're all planted.
No, those 3 are eggplant. See?
Oh, those are your eggplants?
Yeah,
I thought those were zucchini. Oh, sorry. So these were all eggplant. Okay, 3 eggplants.
Zucchini's in another row with a less pepper.
Okay, and we're all done planting. Planted yesterday. So we got the onions here. And the basil. Here's my flowers. I'm just going to go quickly over because I filmed a lot of this yesterday. But see, we're all planted, guys. Yay.
This lower garden is.
Yes.
The upper garden is too.
We have onions. We got our peppers. We got our eggplants here.
Basil and parsley and potatoes here. And over here, tomatoes, beefsteaks. There's brandywine somewhere. Is that? Yeah, that's the little leftover
here, this
zucchini over here and a last pepper.
This is the row that I showed yesterday that wasn't quite done.
It's done now.
Now it is all done.
Yeah, every row extended this year.
We got it all the way down. All the more tomatoes. And there's the flowers again. These are the nasturtiums and sunflowers.
Should have to weed. Thin.
More early girl tomatoes. Those should be our first tomatoes.
Yep, the eggplant.
Eggplant, and what do we have there? Squash? Cucumbers.
The 4 plants followed by zucchinis, 2 hills of them. And that corn that you can see now.
This row here has nothing, but next year we will. Oh, look at the row of corn.
See the row of corn coming through? It's that method we used last year.
I see some here too.
This could be dug, but right now it needs.
Let me show you the corn up close. See it? Yep. There. And there. And there. You can see them right here.
Yeah.
Here and here.
See this angle, you can see the whole line of it.
Yeah, you can see the whole line going all the way up.
Here it's a little bit harder to spot.
I see one.
But they will rise above.
Do you see it?
I've seen it.
Right here.
Yep.
There's the corn.
They'll break through because they're going to grow higher with the grass and any other weeds surrounding them. It's the only way we'll pick them out.
So that's how we'll see where our corn is.
You got to plant 3 rows of corn to pollinate each other.
Oh, and then let's go down here. This is new. Oh, see? Here's corn. I see it. I see him. It's so fun discovering them.
Here too.
Yeah, this is the no-till method.
It worked for us last year.
It did. Here's another one.
And another one.
Every few.
I must have done every 18 inches or something.
Yeah, we did.
So this one, see this?
Oh, yeah. Ha! And here's the next one. See it?
But you got to be careful what weeds you pull.
Yeah, here.
They'll outgrow everything.
And then here's the next one. I see it.
Right?
It's fun discovering them.
Uh-huh.
And this here's all in between. See, here's the corn here.
Name of the game, you got to thin other plants. 12 plants weed that you don't want around. Like the dandelion, but the dandelion was very good to eat.
Let's find the next one, honey.
And it's used for medicine.
Where's the next one? So here's this one, see?
So you'd be looking about 18 inches. They all should be up. But when not sure, just leave it alone and it'll show itself at some point soon.
Where is you? Where is you, corn? It's kind of fun trying to figure out where they're at.
A treasure hunt.
If they pop up.
They will. If they didn't already, they will.
All right, let's go show this marigolds. So this row we just put in last night. And these are our marigolds. So we took it off of our trees. And we put all marigolds. I can't wait for them to flower. See? Oh, what a good day we've had today. So, all right. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but here's a little archway I made out of sticks that fell. So when you come in the beginning, you're gonna see marigolds, and then our little rock entrance marigolds. And then on the back side, it's gonna be all sunflowers and nasturtiums. So it's gonna look so cute this year. And he's over there doing the corn. 3 rows of corn. But that's it. That's our garden this year. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.